Identified chopper closing fast. Target, but it hasn't been damaged much. Emergency maintenance. Smoke. Target penetrated. Good job. Identified tanks destroyed. We've captured the enemy base. Good work. Target ceasefire. Rook Archer 2 engaged and destroyed one tank. Over. Base capture confirmed. We are close to victory. The advantage is on our side. Smoke. Target. That's keeping fighting. Fire, driver up. Target, that's keeping fighting. Identify tanks destroyed. Identify SPG, incoming. Target penetrated. Caution, identify SPG. Identify chopper, closing fast. Is now under our control. Target cease fire. Sector captured. Good work. We have the advantage in sectors. Nicely done. Nest 1-2 is hit. 1-2 is down. They're burning up. Identify tank. Operation successful. Good job.